Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a beautiful dressing table for you. This is not just a dressing table, but it also defines the kind of work we are doing now. Arson do handwork, handcrafting. We are doing a lot of handworking things and designing work, but the output is one thing that defines Arson separate, differently from all the other vendors that are in the market. And if you see this color, this pattern, this output, you can see how beautiful and amazing work Arson is doing for our global clients. This dressing is 6 feet left to right. The platform height is 30 inches, 2.5 feet. Front to back, 24, 2 feet. The frame is 4.5 feet high. So total, this is 7 feet high. The frame is 5.5 feet from here to that side in solid teak wood. This is not resin, this is not fiber, this is solid teak wood. So beautifully and masterfully colored, prepared, and the design. And along with that, I have metallic gold on the sides, the highlighted parts carving, a metallic gold, and this is again out of a catalog design with the skin tone color here and the dark outline here, dark brown outline here, and the metallic paint and multiple colors, three colors you are looking at it in this unit. And this is exactly how it looked in the catalog picture. Catalog picture I've explained earlier also. Let me explain one more time. What happens is earlier, just an year or a couple of years back, people used to make beautiful designs using computer software. In those software with the rendering and with the 3D and the CATIA and all these software, they create so beautiful, elegant designs that people loved those and accordingly placed order through these pictures. Now it's very easy. Just go to any AI app, give a prompt, and you'll get a design like this. And people are picking those pictures, sending to us, and we are converting those things like this to reality here in our factory at Aarsun and delivering globally, not just in India, but 55 countries across the globe, and at factory price, the best price, with the brand of Aarsun in solid teak wood and custom designs. So what you like is accordingly we are making it. This has got three drawers here, one, two, three, and we have got one middle drawer here, one drawer underneath, and similarly three drawers here. So a lot of storage space here, and the entire design, the curvaceous design, the final output, the gloss, the metallic look, everything is right here that you can see. Along with this, we have a sitting chair. Generally, the chairs or the stool along with the dressing are small. So this is a compact chair and it can be kept on a side or in front. So whenever you want to use it, just use it and the unit is ready for use. Only thing we need is a looking mirror here, the glass, and once it is placed, it's ready for use. This unit is going to Kolkata, and generally in India we don't provide the glasses, marbles, mirrors, and these kind of fragile items because they are very difficult to transport but very easy to get locally. Everywhere there is work of glasses and mirrors, so local person can come, take the measurement, put a glass, hardly a couple of hours, and it is ready for use. We have a huge collection of items. If you go to our website, aarsunwoods.com, you'll find so many items there. Different colors, fabrics, patterns, all designed and customized as per client's requirement. That's the most important point. Because this time, everybody loves to have something that they like. You go to a showroom, you find 10 sets sitting there, 10 designs sitting there, and they are standard designs. If someone else comes, they will find the same designs. You buy a very beautiful luxury piece and you find the same design in your relative's place or some other place, generally it doesn't go very well. So what we do here, we customize the thing as per your choice. If you don't like this fabric, let us know. We'll provide a different fabric to you. You want leatherette, you want suede, you want Holland, other pattern, you want damask design, you want this patch design, let us know. We have options for all of them. And colors, again, your choice. More than 1500 videos on YouTube where we have shown so much work, and a big list of testimonials on the website where you can see the thousands of items we have delivered across the globe, how they look once they reach the client's place. So pick what you like and let us make the best product at factory price, quality product, and deliver to your home without any hassle. Hope you like our work. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.